Hi, I'm Avijit, ex-Indian Navy surveyor now working with a major offshore surveying company. I bring over 35 years of offshore surveying experience to this channel. I am someone who is passionate about sharing offshore surveying knowledge in a way that is easy to grasp, especially for the beginners and curious minds. What better way than YouTube videos and YouTube courses? Welcome to Offshore Surveys. This channel is your gateway to understanding offshore surveying, made simple, clear, and practical. This channel is all about sharing knowledge, especially with the beginners and young professionals. You can ask questions, get advice, and grow your career with support. Offshore surveying is a system. In YouTube course, each video connects to the next video, giving you a complete understanding, not just scattered tips. I personally thank you for being here. Subscribe, explore the playlist, and if you are serious about making a career in offshore, then join my channel as a member. Let's build skills, share knowledge, and grow together.